Hi, Mike Ashland again. This tutorial is about setting up after you've set up your account. Logging in, selecting a title for your book and entering it in, making sure the name that is down as the author is the way you want it, and finding your way around the controls of Meography. They're simple and you probably can do it without a whole lot of direction, but we'd like to make sure that you know everything going in. Good luck. You'll start on your login page by entering the email address that you registered with, and then you'll enter your password. Click Login. Write your password somewhere down so that you don't lose it. It'll take you immediately to your bookshelf where you have one book to start, and under Manage and Book Settings you can enter any book title you'd like, and you can change this at any point in the whole process of writing your book. The calendar year started is usually your birth year, when you were born, and you'll pick who can see the book, and for now we're going to pick yes to all users, and we'll explain more about privacy in another tutorial. So there's My Great Life, and by clicking on the book it takes you to the book dashboard, and this is where you pick your questions and do some other work. Here I picked by subjects on things, and I see a question, write about your first car, and I've selected that, and I'm going to put in for the title of this, and you don't always have to title things. I put Sunbeam Imp because that was my first car, and I'm going to write about it. And when I'm done, I'm going to click on public, meaning everyone can see it. And because I know when I bought my first car was in 1969 when I was a senior, I'm going to find 1969 on the calendar widget, and May because I know I bought it in May, but I don't remember a date, so that's all I'll put in. I click Save Answer, and then we go right back to the dashboard. And I'm going to look around for some other questions, and just you can browse through. Here I've clicked on Health, and I'm sorting through questions under Health. Write about a missing limb. Strange question. So I can also look at what I've already answered. There's my write about your first car. I can click on it. I come back to the last time I was there. I can add on to it, change the title, change the date, anything else. And then click Save Answer, and everything is updated. Another nice thing is all the questions that you answered with a date will be listed by year, so it's another way to see what areas you've written about and how to find some of the questions you've already answered. You can also take random questions. Just a minute ago I clicked on Random, and if I don't like the random question that comes up, I can just click on Try a different question instead. Describe yourself as an artist. What are inherited issues you wish your children would not have? Write about your favorite relative. You can go back to the question by clicking on Questions under Manage, and you can also click on New or write your own question. And this is one you create, which becomes part of our Meography database. Generally, these questions should always be very general and not specific, because remember, you're writing them for everyone to use. So I'm putting in a question, who was least loved in your family? I'm going to title it Black Sheep, because I'm going to write about somebody who was a black sheep in our family. It was my oldest brother, so I'll write a bit about him. Don't really have a date for that, so I'm going to put, for privacy, myself and collaborators, because I don't really want everyone to see it right now. And I entered it. So we can also, at the dashboard, change our password by clicking on Your Account under Manage. Just enter the password twice, save changes, and you have a new password. Also, you can change the title of your book, as we showed, and you can also change your account. So here I've selected Upgrade My Account, and I'm going to go to 100 collaborators because I want a lot of people working on my book. Annual purchase, and there's my confirmation of my order. You'll also get an email whenever you make a change in your billing. And there's My Great Life. So again, whenever I click on a book, it takes me to the dashboard. And now, also from the dashboard, I can invite someone else to be a collaborator, which you'll hear more about under the collaborator tutorial. And also you can put a patron in and publish your book from the dashboard. Meography is a simple, elegant tool. At least we hope you find it to be that, and a lot of fun. Welcome to the Meography family.